at least 26 people were killed in a terrorist attack in Pahalgam district in Baisaran Valley in Jammu Kashmir on April 22, 2025. The Resistance Front or the RTF has taken the responsibility of claiming the lives of 26 people on April 22. In response, the Indian government has cancelled or suspended the Indus Water Treaty that was signed in 1960. So let's get deeper on the topic Indus Water Treaty. The Indus Water Treaty or IWT was signed in 1965 by the two countries India and Pakistan, approved by the World Bank Group. This treaty divided the six rivers Indus, Chenab, Bias, Ravi, Satluj and Jhelum, and divided into two parts: the western control part and the eastern control part. These two parts were controlled by different nations. The western part was controlled by the Pakistan government, and the eastern part was controlled by the Indian government. The Pakistan or the western part included three rivers known as Indus, Jhelum and Chenab, while the eastern part also concluded three rivers: Satluj, Bias and Ravi. Now, to you, this seems that there was a fair and equal division of three rivers each. But if we look by volume, the volume states that 99 billion 99 billion cubic meter of water is controlled by the Pakistan government, and the three rivers Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. But while we look into the eastern part or the Indian part, which controls the Indian government, it has only 41 billion cubic meter of water, which is only 20% of the total volume of the six rivers in total. So, in conclusion, I would like to say that India has not totally cancelled the Indus Water Treaty, or it has not just made the it has not just cancelled or cut off the water supply to Pakistan. Because if this does so, these three rivers and in more importantly the Indus River is more important. It is like the backbone of the Pakistan, with many states or many cities residing on them, like Hyderabad and Karachi and other parts residing on the Indus waters, and nearly 75% of the Pakistan population is dependent on the Indus waters. So if this water supply is cut, the whole Pakistan will suffer a huge loss. And India has not not many infrastructure to withstand the water of the or cut off the supply of water directly to the Pakistan, and the water going to Pakistan, because the Indus River and the whole part originates from India, and India has the higher control of all the water that is flowing downstream to Pakistan. So till then, stay safe. Thank you.